To be a successful bowler, athletes must have strength, power, and good aim. And for the Blue Devils, another key ingredient is camaraderie.
We're friends outside of school, so we really know each other, our strengths, our weaknesses. Whenever somebody's having a bad game or whatever, we'll pick them up. We'll try to bowl to even out the scores.
Yeah, one example of our team chemistry is definitely our handshakes. In the beginning, it was pretty weak, but after a while, we got them down pat, and we do them after every strike and spare to hype the team up.
One of the most exciting moments of this season was our win against West Deptford. We went down against them on the first match, but in the 9th frame we all came back, we all bowled strikes, came back, ended up winning that match. And we actually took them in the 3rd game too, making us win the whole game. So
I just think people should pay attention to bowling more. We're 13-0, we rip the racks, so people should come out and support us more.
While the girls might not have an undefeated record, they do have the same sense of team unity.
One reason why I really enjoy bowling this year is because I made a lot of friends throughout this whole season that I never thought I'd talk to as much as I do now. And just from the start of getting on the bus, we started making memories since then. And I've been bowling with them, and we just make jokes and handshakes, and we just all goof around and have fun.
Our coach uses some pretty interesting tactics to get us to win. Basically, she'll bribe us with food, and when we get a star frame, which is all of us getting a strike at once, she'll buy us pizza. And overall, she just encourages us to just do our best and be ourselves.
One thing I really enjoy about bowling is the fun things you get to do while doing it. You get to hit the pins and then watch them go down, the suspense of it and all. It's just really intense and funny and amazing.
This is Brett Daxton signing off.